Welcome back to Life Upgrade with AI. Here I show you practical, beginner-friendly ways to use AI to make everyday life simpler and more organized. I'm using ChatGPT on my computer in this video, but you can use any AI tool you like, including the mobile app. So let's get started. Today we're doing something cozy and creative. We're writing a holiday newsletter. These letters are such a lovely way to reflect on the year and share a warm update with friends and family. And with AI, you can create something heartfelt without stressing over the perfect words. We'll begin by asking the AI to create a simple structure for us. Having a template makes the whole process easier. Here's the first prompt. Give me a simple structure for a holiday newsletter. Keep it warm, personal, and beginner-friendly. AI usually gives you a layout with a greeting, a short reflection on the year, a few personal highlights, and a gentle closing. It's exactly the kind of structure that makes writing feel easy instead of overwhelming. Sometimes this structure reminds you of what you actually want to say. Most people think they need to write something long or formal, but a few short paragraphs are more than enough to make someone smile when they open your letter. Next, we'll ask AI for tone ideas. This helps you decide how you want the letter to sound. Cozy, funny, reflective, or something in between. Here's the prompt. Give me 5 tone options for a holiday newsletter. Warm, humorous, reflective, simple, and cozy. Include a short description of each. Reading through these tone descriptions make it easier to picture the newsletter as a whole, and it also helps the final draft feel more like you. You can also ask for opening line examples if you want inspiration. For example, give me 3 opening sentences for a cozy holiday newsletter. Seeing a few different options can spark the direction you want to take. Now we'll give the AI enough information to write something that reflects on your real year. Here's the prompt. Ask me 10 questions about my year so you can write the newsletter in a personal and authentic way. You'll get questions about your highlights, small joys, challenges, trips, books you loved, new hobbies, all the pieces that make the letter feel like it came from you. You can answer them quickly, and the AI will shape them into something warm and readable. This part always makes me smile. It's like a gentle reflection on the past year without needing to sit down and journal. You just answer the questions, and suddenly you remember the little things that made the year meaningful. Now that the AI knows your tone and details, let's create the first draft. Here's the prompt. Write the first draft of my holiday newsletter using the details I shared. Keep it warm, simple, and personal. This draft gives you a full starting point, usually something surprisingly close to what you wanted, just waiting for a little polishing. If you want, you can ask the AI to adjust the length right here. Something like, make this 2 paragraphs longer, or shorten this slightly but keep the cozy tone. AI adapts easily if you already know the direction you want. Now we'll smooth out the letter so it feels more natural and conversational. Here's the prompt. Improve the flow and make the newsletter sound more like a real conversation. Keep it friendly and natural, and feel free to add gentle touches of humor or warmth. This step helps the newsletter sound less like a draft and more like something you genuinely send to a friend. The AI will refine transitions, soften sentences, and bring out your personality. You can also ask for subtle, non-cheesy humor if that fits your style. For example, add 2 light, friendly jokes that sound natural and not forced. This keeps things playful without losing the heartfelt tone. Now, the next part gives you options depending on how you want to send the letter. Here's the prompt. Create 2 alternative versions of this newsletter, 1 short version for email and 1 longer, cozy version suitable for printing. The shorter version is perfect for email or a digital card, while the longer one is great if you like sending printed letters or sharing a more detailed recap. Finally, we'll put everything together into 1 clean document. Here's the prompt. Combine the structure, tone options, draft, polished version, and alternate versions into one simple holiday newsletter package I can copy and use. This gives you a complete toolkit, all in one place, so you can copy the newsletter you want, print it, or paste it directly into an email. I hope this helped you create a warm and personal holiday newsletter without the stress. If you enjoyed this, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. I share simple, everyday ways to use AI to make life calmer, more organized, and more creative. Thank you for watching, and happy holidays!